Alright, what I got here, there's no power here on the thermostat, on the AC control unit. No power whatsoever. I open it up. There's no fuse in there either. It's a straight line going in there, so there's got to be a fuse in there. Close that back up. I gotta pull this off and see this thermostat wire goes right here. Goes all the way in there. And it comes in here. First I'm gonna go turn the power off on the power box because you don't want to electrocute yourself. That's high voltage. All that bit. Okay, right now I'm opening the power box. See, these two say back AC. They want to. Boom. As a matter of fact, tell you the truth, I'm gonna shut it all off. To be on the safe side, turn off the whole freaking thing. I just don't want to get electrocuted. Power shut down. Nope. Okay, the power's off now, and I've shut everything off, so it's kind of. Here you go. It's recording already. No, not get electrocuted. That's why the power's off, guys. There's a screw right here. Pull that off. Another one right here. Pull that off. Another one up here. Pull that off. And there should be one more somewhere back here, right there. That one bigger or something? I don't know what's happening there. Got it off. Took forever, but okay. Unplug that so it's not in my way. About to be able to pull this cover off now. There should be a fuse right behind there, from what I understand. Okay, push up. Yeah. Push up, but everything's in the way right there. There it is, had to pry it out of there. Yep, look, I took everything off. So tight fit. Now let me see, there's supposed to be a fuse up there. We'll go from there. This wire comes down. Fuse is right here, fuse is blown. Can you see the fuse is right there? Yep. It's a 5-watt fuse. Yep, it's blown. Okay. Yeah, I woke up last night. Nothing was working. And is the loop blowing? Yeah, that's blowing. Looks bad. So we gotta get a 5-watt fuse. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can find one right quick. That's a 20. 20. Gonna have to go buy one, I guess. Alright, I just went to the store. I went in and bought 3 in case it popped again. I gotta figure out what made it pop to begin with. I'm gonna leave those right there, so I got them for next time. This is the difference between a blown one and a regular one. The blown one's all black. It's all busted up in there. The new one's got the line, you see it? Mm-hmm. Little line right there. Yeah. The no good one's right there. It's all blown up. So what I'll do, I'll come back up here. I pulled it out from right here. Goes right in there. it just slides right back in. See right there. Remember, turn all the power off, don't need electrocute it. And then put everything back on and see what happens from there. Don't take a chance of just leaving it all open and get electrocuted. Here, you can hold that, put it back on real quick. So, my problem is how hard is it going to be to put on, because it was hard to come on. Because there ain't much room. The way they get it up in here. Not that hard. It went back in easy. Good job, good job. Okay. So I'm gonna put this back on. It's in there. Yeah, if you got a cordless drill, it works a lot faster. There it is. That's in there. Turn the light down here. There it is, right there. This is the next one. That's in there. This one is the one I had trouble with for some reason, but they would get it in there. Okay, I got that. I'm gonna plug this cord back in. This is to the pump for the water. Alright. Now that I got it all back together, I'm gonna go turn the power on and see if this comes on. I'm gonna go turn the power on, be right back. Okay, I'm back out here, gonna turn it back on. Like I said, I went ahead and turned everything off because I don't want to risk it. I ain't gonna die for a freaking fuse. Power all running. Go back inside, see how it's going. Yep, now we got power. So you know what to do. Remember, some of them got a fuse in there, or they're gonna run on some batteries. If they run on batteries, what you do, just wiggle this off, pop it off. Replace the battery if the battery is dead. Or could have a fuse in there from what I hear from someone, but I don't know, mine didn't. Mine has the fuse in here, so see the wire comes back here, which goes in there. This wire goes to this thermostat. Then from there it rides up to the top, which goes right here, which I don't like the way it's wired, but I rent here. Actually, could have got the landlord to do it, but I prefer to do it myself, get it over with right away. So now the box is in. This stuff needs to be cleaned. It's filthy. Anyway, but now this is running. So now we can put cool. Let's drop it down. Turn some heat. Put it on 70 or what? Yeah. Put it on 70 for now. Everything running. To see if it don't blow. There's a reason why it blew. I know last night was the first cold front. It was in the 50s. I mean, we didn't really need the heater on, but we're trying it anyway. But it was on for a little while and then it stopped working. So we'll go from there. Now we got that ready to go. So if your thermostat's not working, check the fuse, man. It's usually gonna run a line in there. They run inside the unit. Sometimes they're up in your attic, sometimes in the basement, wherever you got it. This one's happened to be right beside the thermostat. And then right there, blink. There we go. Just close the door. Ready to go. Alright, thank you for watching the video. As always, subscribe to watch more videos. And thank you for watching. Press like if you like my video. And subscribe if you would, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.